Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust bass in your Honda Civic. First, locate your audio system's main control knob or touchscreen interface. You'll typically find sound settings there, including options for bass, treble, and balance. We'll go through adjusting the bass level incrementally to achieve your desired sound. This straightforward process allows you to personalize your audio, significantly enhancing your driving soundtrack for every journey. Once you've identified your audio controls, press the menu or audio button to dive into the main sound settings. Then, use the tuning knob or the touchscreen to navigate and select Sound Settings or Tone. This action will bring up a list of adjustable parameters, including bass, mid-range, and treble. It's a simple step to unlock your system's full audio customization potential. Now, select the bass option from the Sound Settings menu. You can typically adjust this using a rotary knob or by tapping plus and minus icons on a touchscreen. Rotate the control clockwise to increase the bass or counterclockwise to decrease it. Aim for a rich, full sound without distortion. Experiment with different music to find your ideal balance, ensuring a pleasant listening experience. Beyond just bass, consider adjusting your mid-range and treble settings for a truly balanced sound profile. The quality of your audio source, whether it's a high-fidelity stream or a compact disc, significantly impacts overall sound. Also, remember that your car's interior acoustics play a role. Small adjustments to these elements can dramatically enhance your entire listening experience, making every drive more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.